Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to mount a phone to the inside of your Tesla Model Y or Model 3, you'll find that there's not a lot of really good places to do it. I've been looking around for some solutions to see what I could come up with, and I found this phone mount from Ornato on Amazon, and I thought I'd share it with you guys today. We'll get this product unboxed and installed and see how it does, adding our phone kind of up to the edge of our screen here in our Tesla Model Y. Let's get into it. Well, as we get into looking at the box here and looking at everything that it comes with, I want to specify this is a Tesla-specific phone mount for Model 3s and Model Ys. It attaches to the screen, kind of on the corners of the screen of your Model Y or Model 3, that big front screen. So again, this is from Ornato. Really nice packaging, kind of nice and clean. Shows you what the product looks like there. I've already taken it out of the box here, and I'll show you guys what all it comes with. The first piece is the actual kind of clamping mechanism. This is what's going to clamp to the screen of your Model Y. So this kind of arm swings out of the way if you loosen it, pull it out. Kind of a ratcheting arm there to kind of mount your phone where you want it. I'll show you all this when we get it installed, but I want to show you quickly this clamping mechanism. So it says on the back, if you can see it in the light, unlock and lock. So there's a little kind of like, I'll call it a piston in there. And you can kind of see as I'm unlocking it, it kind of retracts into the back. When you push it out, it kind of squeezes it forward. So it's going to give you a really tight, secure clamp on your screen, and your phone's not going to go anywhere. I really like that. The next piece is the actual part that holds your phone, and this is pretty cool too. Kind of really sleek, modern looking. I like how it kind of ties into some of the chrome accents on your Tesla, and your phone's going to sit right in here. On the back, you have this kind of ball joint, and you'll see this on a lot of different phone mounts. But that's going to attach to the ball up here, give you kind of some access. You can swivel your phone, turn it all around, different angles, and we'll show you all that on the install. To release your phone, it's really cool. There's this red button on the back. So when I push it, it opens up these arms. When you put your phone in, you hold it in there and you give it a squeeze, it kind of cinches down on your phone. So you kind of can do it with one hand. I think that's really cool. All right, that's everything that it comes with. It does come with some other instructions and things inside the box if you have some questions about how to install it and everything like that. But let's head over to the car and we'll go ahead and throw this on and put my phone in there and see what kind of configurations we can look at. So before I start this install, I want to start off by saying I've already done several mods to my Model Y. I've added a front dash screen up here. I've added a swivel screen mount, and you can see this turns back and forth, so I really like that. So yours might not be set up exactly like this, and that's okay. I think I still want to show off the phone mount product, and if it's useful for you, there'll be a link to it down in the description. Let me get you guys kind of set up here, and we're going to kind of try to work on installing this, or I think most people will actually install it probably on this upper left corner of their screen. Again, I have the other, dash camera thing kind of, or the screen going on over here. You guys won't worry about that. Let's work on installing this kind of phone holder dash mount. So I think the first step is I kind of loosen that piston a little bit with the unlock feature, put it right back on the screen here, reach around, and kind of tighten it down. Gosh, you can already kind of feel it tightening down, cinching it down a little bit. Don't want to get it too tight. Oh, there you go. You heard the click there, so that lets you know it's tight enough. So I like that a lot. Then this other little screw you can loosen down that I showed you in the unboxing. Loosen that up, and it kind of gives you some freedom if you want to mount your phone up to the top in kind of a more horizontal fashion. Something like that. Or if you want to have your phone down over here on this part of the screen, you can do that as well. Or even up at the top. That might be what you're looking for too. However you want to use it. If you want to use it for Google Maps, if you want it for Waze, things like that. That's what people use these phone mounts for. If you're an Uber driver and you need to have Uber running somewhere, this is a perfect accessory for that. So the next step is we take this kind of piece and you want to unscrew this little cover. This is kind of the clamp for that little ball cover. And the way to do this is you take this little clamp piece first and put it on that little joint back here. Let's tighten this down where I think I'll probably have it. All the way over on this side. Like that. That's what I'm thinking. And then you take this socket and put it right over that piece. And you hear that satisfying click, and then retighten it all together. And this kind of cinches down that little ball joint to give you some kind of rigidity on it. So then I kind of got it nice and tight there. And then you can still kind of angle this how you want, and it'll stay there. So I really like that. And I think this is sturdy enough. It's not going to bounce around while you're driving or anything like that. It's actually pretty cool. So let me change angles here a little bit, and we'll get you guys a better view. I have it kind of all set up and all tied down. I'm going to come back here with my phone and release that clamping mechanism in the back so it opens it up. Put my phone or whatever I kind of want to hang in there, and then just kind of squeeze the sides together. And that's a nice sturdy, kind of solid mount for your phone. I think I really like that. It's nice. It holds it nice and secure right there. Let's see what it looks like in that horizontal orientation. So just unscrewing that back piece, flipping it around, and then tightening it back up. Well, that's pretty nice too. You can kind of get it right there if you want to kind of do like a Google Maps navigation or something like that. You can kind of work it that way. So pretty cool product. And I think it works really nice to release your phone. Just push that button on the back and you can take your phone right out. That holds it nice and secure. I trust that. I don't think it's going anywhere when you're using it. Well, that about wraps this one up. I think this is a really high quality product from Ornato. It seems really sturdy, well built. I think it'll actually hold onto the screen really well. Your phone's not going to go flying off there. I really like the one-handed release mechanism. I think that's pretty cool. Overall, it's a really quality product. I'd recommend it. I think we're going to use it when we go on some road trips here when I want to see Google Maps, or if you do Uber or anything like that, it'd be really handy to do. Don't get me wrong, Tesla's navigation is really good. I really do enjoy it. It's very accurate. It works really well for us. Sometimes I just want a little bit more information. I think Google Maps is just a little bit better. So, or if you use Waze or some other products, that really is helpful too. Big thank you to Ornato for sending this over to me. A link to this product will be found down in the description, as well as a lot of other products that I've used over the last few months. A playlist will be linked at the end of this video covering all of those products, and all of those links are down in the description too if you're interested in any of it. Let me know if you decide to pick up this mount, how it works out for you. If you have other questions about it, I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel, and feel free to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks.